guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, do me a huge favor. Take 5 seconds of your time and go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Today is beautiful 2011 GT500 with a VMP supercharger. This man's got a VMP blower on his 2011 GT500 on E, right?
Yeah, full E85.
Should be a good run. You got headers and everything too?
Nope. That's it. Just
so you know my setup. I got a full compatible system with E85 currently on 91, running Mustang, smaller pulley, garbage Roush blower, and headers, exhaust, and that's about it. So yeah, we're definitely gonna get a few runs in right now. Get a 60 roll, 65 roll, maybe a 50 roll, something like that. Alright guys, I don't know if you saw the last video, but I did run a Whipple 10-speed Mustang GT, and honestly it was a good run. I got them by half a car, one run, maybe 2 cars, another run. Anyhow, if you haven't seen that video on the top right corner of the screen. With that being said, it is much cooler out today, so my IAT2 should be much better. That should mean much cleaner runs. I'm expecting him to get me by a car or so. I'm not sure how much power he's pushing. He does have a VMP blower with a 2.5-inch pulley, so obviously he's making some power. How much, I don't know. Is a 10-speed going to be to our advantage? Of course it will be, but how much of a difference is it going to make? It should be a good run nonetheless, but I'm definitely not expecting to win this one. I never go in expecting to win. I guess I just don't want to disappoint myself at the same time. I go in expecting to lose. So if I lose, I lose. That's just the mindset that I have. I don't care if I win. I don't care if I lose. I do this for fun. I do this for you guys, so you guys enjoy the content. I feel bad because during the 7 months that my car was away, I didn't push any content out for you guys at all. So I'm gonna try to push out as much content as I possibly can. I ran the 10-speed yesterday in the morning, and it was about 90 degrees outside already. Tonight it's much more lenient. It's 70 degrees out right now, and my IATs are about 115 cruising. It'll probably dip down even more on the freeway, and by the time that we get there, keep in mind the car was sitting for a little bit, so the IATs did get a little warmer than it normally would. Just go ahead and roll up the windows here for just a brief moment. We got the GoPro on the front of the car, so let me know if you guys enjoy that angle. I don't have anybody filming with me. I know that's a much better angle, but we got the GoPro in the front. We got you guys on my head, of course, so we kind of get 2 angles. If he passes me going forward, I got it captured on the GoPro on my head. If we take off on him, we got it captured on that GoPro. I just don't want to risk holding my phone. Even though we're automatic, things could get sketchy. I just want to be prepared just in case something did. Okay. Another good run. Again, I-82s are just getting way up there. I'm gonna try a different run, more in my power band. Let's do a 65 roll this time. 65 seems to be perfect for me, so we'll see. All right, so we're gonna get one more run in. GoPro's now on the wrong side, but whatever. Damn, those are some good runs. One, two, three. All right, guys, so those runs were super close for me, super close for him. I may have got him on a couple, he may have got me on a couple. So this is what we're gonna do. Once I get my icebox on and I'm still on 91, we'll do another run. Then when I'm on E85, we'll do another run, just to see the difference. I mean, his car is definitely making some good power. For it to keep up to a boosted 10 speed is definitely impressive. Make sure you guys go subscribe to this channel. He's putting out some heat right now. All right, guys, we just got done with the night. We just got done talking. We both agree that we are going to do a sorry, let me turn off the AC. Then we're gonna do another run once I get the icebox in, and of course once I get on E85, it should be a much better run for sure. I'll be running a lot cooler, no more heat soak issues. I'm just really happy that I was able to get the run in. Again, make sure you subscribe to him, Jake Cubs on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description below. And yeah, I'm just really happy that I finally got this car back. I can do things with it now. It's running good, it's quick. I couldn't be much happier with it, to be honest. That's gonna be it for tonight's video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you thought of the results. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.